Everyone thinks Cloudflare is a DDoS shield. That little orange cloud you click on to stop getting attacked. Adorable. That is the security gate. The real business is the road, and by the end of this, you'll actually be able to explain it. It starts in 2004 with a side project called Project Honeypot. Matthew Prince, a lawyer, and programmer Lee Holloway placed fake email addresses on websites to trap spammers. They realized mapping spam meant you could map all malicious traffic, DDoS bots, scrapers, and block it before it ever touches a website. So in 2009, they launched Cloudflare at TechCrunch Disrupt, originally just to stop comment spam on blogs. Now here is the analogy. The internet is a highway system. Every website is a destination with an on-ramp, and every visitor is a car. Normally, those cars pull up directly to the origin server. That is a house with no fence, no gate, no bouncer. Cloudflare built inspection stations at every on-ramp, 310 data centers worldwide. Every single request gets screened there first. They check the plate against a global watch list, clean, wave through to the origin sketchy, diverted, blocked, or forced to solve a CAPTCHA, all before it hits your server. But they also cache popular content at the checkpoint. Think of it like a fast food joint pre-cooking burgers. 1,000 people want the same page, they serve it from the edge, the origin barely breaks a sweat. The genius move. From day one, they gave away that basic service for free. DDoS protection, SSL, caching, $0. That funneled millions of sites onto their network, creating a data moat that now sees roughly 20% of all internet requests. They know what a bad request looks like before anyone else. Then they upsell enterprises on advanced gear, web application firewall, bot management, and a product called Magic Transit that routes an entire company's traffic through Cloudflare's backbone. In 2017, they dropped Workers, a serverless platform that lets developers run code directly on Cloudflare's edge, not in some faraway AWS region. That transformed them from a CDN into a platform. When AI needed low-latency inference, Cloudflare already had the edge locations and bolted on GPUs. Now they run AI models at the edge, offer storage that undercuts Amazon S3's egress fees, and even a distributed database. They're building the whole infrastructure stack for the AI internet. The numbers: revenue from $431 million in 2020 to $1.3 billion in 2023. Over 150,000 paying customers, including a quarter of the Fortune 100. They handle roughly 20 million HTTP requests per second. Stock from 15 at IPO in 2019 to over 100 today, and they're free cash flow positive, pumping money back into the edge. So the next time someone says Cloudflare is just a CDN, you can look at them like they just confused a toll booth with the entire interstate system.